Right here I have the perfect retractable swivel hose that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ, and as you can see right here, I have the AYLEID retractable hose. This thing is actually really awesome. Now, as you can see here, I am spinning this all the way around. So this has a 180-degree swivel, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, if you mount this in the right spot, whether it be outside or in your garage, you can actually use this so many different ways, because if you want to pull it in this direction or in that direction, it makes it very versatile, and then you also don't have to wind it up when you're done. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so as for me guys, I wanted to show you that I put this right on the edge here. You do have to mount this to a stud. Now I have these two over here mounted to a stud. These two are just in the drywall. So everything seems fine for me, but make sure that you install it properly. This just slides in, so you could just install this by itself and then put everything up after. Very easy. I have my hose ran right over to my picket, so you can see the length here. That is like probably 6-7 feet long, but I absolutely love this. Very compact, and I love that when you need it, it comes right out. But when you don't want to use it, you actually just push it really quick, and it just looks really nice. I love the design. One thing that I do appreciate a lot, I don't know if you can tell, but as you put it all the way to the wall, it has a lock on here, so it actually won't hit the wall. Same with this side. Probably see this side better. So as I hit this, it will not hit the wall. It stops, and I do love that. We have a nice handle on top, so if you do want to take this down and transport it, you can. Now let's take a look at this. This comes with a couple different nozzles. This is going to be your basic twist nozzle, and it's also going to come with a nice matching nozzle with a handle that has 9 different spray options. So as you can see, you have center, rinse, shower, cone, angle, jet, soaker, which is nice if you're doing gardening, mist, flat. You can see on the tip, they all do something different as you spin it. Very nice, easy to use, ergonomic in the hand. It has a nice rubber material, so if your hands are wet, you're going to be able to adjust it. We also have a adjustment here, and we do have a lock, so you can just lock it in place and just keep it going. Really nice. I am going to install this. I'm going to show you how this works, and we're going to demo it. Let me just show you right now, guys. Look at that. Okay, so as you pull it, it just stops right there. Okay, so we just pulled it a little bit. You're probably asking, how do you retract it? You just pull it a little bit more, and then now you're going all the way. But if you want to stop and come back while you're retracting it, so you don't have to go all the way up, you can adjust this perfectly where you want. Now let's go all the way back, and we have a nice stopper. It's also going to have these nice bristles here. They're going to keep it nice and clean. This stopper is going to be great, so it's going to make sure that's not going to go all the way in. So this does come with rubber grommets also, and it does come with the mounting hardware to install this. Now I ended up putting this up a little bit higher, because if you do put up higher with these retractable hoses, the benefit is when you pull it, it's less of a trip hazard, which is really nice. Let's say that I want to pull this now over here. So since I put it in the middle, walking around all my stuff's usually not like this. I can now evade this wall and that storage rack, and I can use it from this side. And that is a huge benefit to the swivel. Now let's go ahead, try this thing out and see how it works. Now, as you can see, I'm actually outside of my garage now, and this is extended all the way to the road. So this thing goes super long. And this also supports 200 PSI of water and 600 PSI of burst pressure. All right, so I'm going to go through each one of these. Very nice. That will be great for washing my car. That is the jet. That's angle, so you can angle it down. Got cone. Shower. Really nice for gardening, especially rinsing cars off, just super light. Rinse. Center. And flat. You can see that is pretty flat. And we have a mist. And the soaker. So this is going to be great for gardening. Tons of different options. At the end of the day, I'm very happy with this retractable hose. 100 feet of capability, easy retraction, no hassle, blends in with the color on my wall. It just looks really sleek, very durable, has 9 different adjustment settings, comes with everything that you need. And with the swivel, you really just can't beat how versatile this retractable hose really is. I highly recommend this. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.